Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start on the primary device where your Google account lives. Make sure two-step verification is already enabled because QR login requires that security layer. Once done, open the Accounts or Google app on the secondary device and sign out of any unrelated accounts, so scanning won't pick the wrong profile. Make sure the secondary device camera works and has internet. These are the first actions to avoid errors when the QR appears and you move to scanning. On the primary device, initiate a sign-in flow and select the QR code method. Google will generate a time-limited code. Then pick up the secondary device and open its camera or the Google App Scanner, granting camera permission if requested. Once the QR is centered and captured, the secondary device shows account details. Inspect them carefully to confirm it's the right profile. Tap Approve or Continue. This securely exchanges a token, establishing the sign-in without a password. After approval, return to the primary device and complete any final prompts. Google may ask for a PIN or biometric confirmation to finish linking devices. Make sure the account appears as signed in and review device trust options if you want fewer prompts later. If scanning fails, refresh the QR immediately, confirm both devices' clocks are accurate, and retry with steady focus. If problems persist, fall back to backup codes or another two-step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.